Hello everyone, this is Progress FL speaking. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly hit the subscription button and turn on the notification bell to stay tuned whenever I post a new video. So today, I'll send this signal to my Telegram group as usual. And when you look at here, you will observe the sharp retracement that happened yesterday. Now, like I told you, this black moving average acts as the signal line, the support, and the resistance line as well. Immediately it touched it, I started looking for the candlestick, which I usually make entry from. And of course you can see the first one, but then it was late yesterday, so I have to wait until today. Like I told you, during impulse correction, what you will see is a candlestick that will engulf both of the 220 moving averages, and that is this very candlestick. Let me place a cursor on it, this one. So, and I said that you have to place your stop loss right at the beginning of the body of the candlestick, and your entry has to be where the closure of the candlestick is, or where the candlestick closed. So in this case, I started making entry from 15 minutes time frame, and that was why I set my first stop loss here. So should anything go wrong, which is not possible, this is the contemporary stop loss at 2658. The profit target is 100 pips or 200 pips.
3 hours later.
Welcome back, guys. You can't believe this. Progress FS is a genius. Over 120 pips down. As you can see, over 120 pips down. Tomorrow we go again. Join my Telegram group. I post free signals there at entry point. I post it on my Twitter currently, as I post it on my Facebook page. So guys, join the winning team. 2025 is the money printing year. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification button to stay tuned whenever I post a new video to enable you to get